Do you know what to consider when purchasing gutter guards for your Sicklerville, New Jersey home? The right type of gutter guards makes a big difference. Extreme gutter guards are made with stainless steel mesh. The stainless steel mesh allows water through while removing debris clogging your gutters, even during heavy rain. Best of all, stainless steel gutter guards from Extreme don't require any maintenance. You no longer have to worry about your gutters needing nasty, time-consuming cleanup on your Camden County area home. You'll also have easy access to great financing options for your gutter guards. We also have financing offers to simplify your purchase with a low monthly payment. Financing lets you install your gutter guards right away without taking money from your family's budget. Spend your hard-earned money on something else, like a vacation. Professional installation is also very important for making sure your gutter guards work properly. Installing gutter guards on your own means climbing a ladder, which can be dangerous for homeowners. Let Ameritech Services of Sicklerville, New Jersey install your gutter system and gutter guards the right way. Call us at 856-418-1029 to get started today.